All right, we got the hood back on it. To be honest with you, I'm wore out. Hi, and welcome back. I think this morning we got here kind of early, so I think we're gonna move this strap here. Gonna put this fender on, and then I got bolts down there for the bed. Long ones should go from side to side, easy enough. We got 3 down here and 3 on the other side. I'm also wanting to get the hood on. Now I don't have anybody here to help me today, so I'm gonna try to turtle it up here. Kind of show you what I mean by turtle it. I'm gonna try to attach it. I don't know if I can or not, but at least we can get it set on there. Then may have to drop the truck down, put tires on it, roll it out to put the hood on it, because I don't know exactly how far it's gonna raise up, and it may hit the garage door, but hopefully by the end of the day, we'll have everything on it. Maybe even try to put those bed rails back in it too, I'm not sure. But at least we'll have the back end tightened down, and we'll have a fender on. And we'll have to get another strap. I'm gonna take this chain off. Get another strap and strap it across. I don't have another one, gotta wait till the lock gets back. Strap the bed across here to keep it together, but it shouldn't fall apart, because I'll have it bolted back here. Anyways, that's my plan for this morning. Not sure if I get there or not. Not sure if I can get the hood by myself, but I'm gonna try. Because I still gotta get some used tires for this truck in order to move it. I don't think I'll get those within the next week or two. So last video, if you watched it, I know I've been saying sell this truck, get rid of it, put money in the Bronco. If you happen to not want it, then my alternate idea is to keep the body exactly the way it is. Don't fix any dents or anything. Just kind of knock the rust down a little bit. Kind of try to keep the patina where it is. I lost some when I did that, and on this other side back here. Anyways, keep that. Just clear coat the whole body. Put a new modern chassis. Not sure. I heard S10s may fit, or like a 88 Monte Carlo or something like that. Put a new chassis in there with it, with mounts for, you know, V8, automatic transmission, air conditioning, everything else. Do the interior, super nice. Have it all painted, everything re-chromed, new seat, new door cards, you know, new felt all the way around, and but just keep the body like this, and just use it as a daily driver. I think it'd be fun, not necessarily worry about somebody touching it, but just to you know, just have a reliable truck that you like to drive around. Other thought of doing with it if we do keep it. So I haven't talked to a lot. I'm even gonna keep this thing here, just re-weld it at the bottom, and put a tire on it. Anyways, that's my thought if we do keep it. But of course, this will be pushed out back in the barn. I'm gonna get back on the Bronco, try to get it done, then maybe pull this one in and out every now and then, if we do decide to do that or not. But anyways, kind of a long introduction this morning, but just something I've been thinking about the truck and whatnot. Anyways, let's put you outside, and I'll see if I can't turtle the hood up here. It's a little bit more heavy than I remember. There she is. I mean, it's not really a single dent on the thing. Needs some love, but still has the hinges. I think I'll knock these dirt dauber's nest off of it and just place it up there. I don't think I can hinge it today. Might need to see. I think it bolts right here, and maybe right here. So we have to find bolts for that, but we can just place it up here and make it look somewhat complete. Hopefully make it look like a whole new truck. Let's get that on there, then we'll turn our attention to the fender and putting those bolts back there. If that's that, then I may call it a day. That winded me a little bit, pulling that thing out. All right, we got the hood back on it. To be honest with you, I'm wore out. We do got some fitment issues. Right through there and right through here. But it lines up pretty nice. Over here's not so bad. But definitely has some issues with fitment. Let me pop the hood now. Show you what I did. Remember these two? That brace. Remember these two bolts are in there, already in the truck. Then this has two bolts here and here, and they're already in the hinge. Thank goodness I left those in there, or else I would never found them. I think the problem people are going to face when you take these hoods off is that this spring is already extended out to be open, so your hinges need to be open as well, and you can't really shut the hood and the hinges line up because this thing is still open, so it pushes the hood forward. So I was going to try to take these off up here, but they're so rusted I'd probably never get back on there. But I figured get a strong, sturdy pole, wedge it in there best you can, then come in here and play with these hinges to get them to line up. I probably shouldn't have done this by myself because this is heavy, and if that pole were to knock out, so I think it would come down on my arm, me, or even one of these cats that like to play in here. But yeah, it's probably not smart for me to do that with nobody here. Hey, for the wife to show up and be stuck in the hood. But regardless, we make sure this is secure through here first. Could use a cherry picker, I guess. Up here, that'd been better. Anyways, getting off topic. Anyways, you get them stretched out, then you come in here and you can manually move these with your hand where you want them, and then the bolts bolt from the inside of the cab out. They have adjustment here I see you. Let me get him. Anyways, I have adjustment here to go in and out, which I'm sure if I mess with it, I could probably get it. And then these, it has a little give to go up or down. I got them set all the way down. I think my body panels may be kind of warped. That's why it's not fitting right on this fender. Or it could be, I put all this on. I know there's a rubber gasket that goes right through here, I believe. And I know there's between the fenders and the cab and back there, but I don't think it's as thick as what I need it to be. Anyways, yeah, we got the hood on it, and it shuts and locks down. And that center line is pretty spot on. Starting to really come together. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. That right there took it out of me, carrying it and messing with it. It's probably a short video, so I'm probably gonna speed most of that up. But yeah, it has fitment issues, but I think the back needs to come out just a little bit, give it more give on the back end, and that should bring that crown out some and flatten, hopefully. But not necessarily gonna mess with it right now because probably just gonna be taking it back to that barn. Release this on there, and I guess I didn't think I could do it by myself, but if you try to do this by yourself, be extremely careful with propping that hood up and getting underneath it with it up like that. Like I said, it very well could come down on me, injured me and whatnot. Just try that at your own risk. Kind of figure that solid steel square bar, it wouldn't bend, and it should be heavy enough that, you know, not easily movable unless it were to slip, and then we'd have a whole bunch of trouble. But with that being said, it can be done by one person. Probably gonna have to have somebody help me to fit it just right, because I know I'm gonna loosen it up and somebody's gonna have to kind of tweak it and push it, mash it, and then tighten down. And anyways, that can be done later. I just wanted it on there. I'm really starting to want to keep this truck really bad. Next time we'll work back here, put this fender on down here, and put the bolts in back there, and we'll tie this better with some more straps. When the wife gets back, I'll get another strap and we'll strap it up. And then we'll have to get 3 newer tires that'll hold air, and we'll just get my little tractor and hook it up to the front of the frame and take it back there. Then I think I'm gonna try backing in because I like seeing the front of it. But feel accomplished today. Now I'm extremely tired and I just want to go in and take a shower and take it easy the rest of the day. But if you like what you see, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We're getting this thing wrapped up here pretty quick. Regardless if we don't find another fender or the piece back here, if I can't source one, we'll keep the straps on it, take it back there, and it won't be nothing for me to go back there in the barn. So anyways, we need to get tires so it can roll. But regardless, this will be out here pretty quick. That was a big issue that I was gonna have problems with, but we got it on, those closed and shut, and it's secure, so I feel good about it. If you made it this far, this may have been a short video, I'm not sure yet, but sorry for that content, but struggled with that a little bit, but we got it on. Like I said, we'll finish this back end up and we'll move back to the Bronco. Anyways, if you like what you see, this is kind of what this channel's about, just messing with old cars and whatnot. And I really like to know y'all's opinion on this. If I do keep it, kind of knock the dirt and rust off patina and keep the patina, keep all the dents, dings, gashes, messed up floorboards on that side is pretty bad. Keep all that like it is, and of course replace like the rotted out parts up here where the fender meets the cab. I don't necessarily do anything at the cab corners unless it's really rusted. Anyways, just patina, clear coat it, and fix the interior really nice, and have all the modern amenities and whatnot. Just make it a fun, drivable truck. If I do keep it, but if he wants it, then I'll be gone. So, but anyways, thank you for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, something car related. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel out, and I'll see you next time.